What is going on, YouTube? Today we want to talk about steer tires. What do you want to know if you have a problem with steer tires? If you have blown up steer tire on the road? Just main basic aspects. What do you need to know in order to replace the tire? Which tire you need to choose? What's gonna be the best match for you? All those small but pretty crucial things I will try to check in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, so we have a storage pretty much full of tires. Today we talk about steer tires, so let's go and find specifically steer tires. I'm gonna put all of them here. As you can see, we have one Yokohama brand here. Yep, Yokohama is right here. Another one is pretty good and pretty popular tire, I would say. It's a Kelly, so not expensive but pretty good quality, because Kelly, as you know, it's a what was that? Not the Firestone, man. Goodyear brand. And the cheaper tires that we have. Not bad though, but this is the all position drive force. As you all know, we do the road service, so usually what do we have on our calls is the blown steer tire. And there is the choice which tire you want to put in, which brand, which size. About the size, it's pretty easy. You just check what size of a tire do you have on another side. The pretty common size, I would say the regular size is 295, 75, 22.5. The next common, I would say not the common, but the next popular size, it's mostly for Canadian carriers. It's 11R. So 11R, 22.5. I will show you that size as well. So what tire you should choose? What brand you should choose? Depends on you completely. But to make the steer tire do the good job, the tire needs to be balanced. I mean, the tire on the rim needs to be balanced, and I would recommend to do the alignment as well. But doing the road service, we are not able to do that on the road. So what could be the decision in this situation? We recommend to put the least expensive tire. Go to your shop or wherever your company shop who can put like the better tire to match what do you have, or to put both, so two steer tires, do that balance and alignment, and that tire that we put on a truck, the least expensive, you can just use for a trailer. So the least expensive tire we have brand Drive Force. Let me show you, it's right here. As you see, there is a brand. Dimension is 295 75 R 22.5. Okay, this tire made in Vietnam. Pretty decent price and pretty decent tire by itself. This particular one is all position, so you can easily put it as a steer tire. And like I said, go to your shop, switch it for I would say better one, like Yokohama's, Michelin's, whatever you prefer, and put this one on your trailer. Tread depth, let's check that. I would say almost 20-30 seconds, so pretty decent. The next tire we have here is Kelly. So as you see, let's put it here, the Kelly brand, and the size of this tire is 11R. As I said, this size is pretty popular among that Canadian carriers, because this tire is bigger, as you can see, is slightly bigger than the regular size tire, 295, 75, 22.5. And yes, almost all Canadian carriers who call us for the steer tire, they want to something like this, like 11Rs. Even on a trailer they have 11Rs. Kelly is not the most expensive brand, but it's still a good year brand, so pretty decent quality and pretty good price. I definitely would recommend this tire if you need to put one better tire on the road. And let's check. Here you go, 11R and the regular one. From this perspective, you can see that 11R is pretty big. It's definitely bigger than the regular size tire. Okay guys, I just got a call for another road service, so have to finish this tire video. We have like 5 more minutes, and the next one is gonna be the Yokohama tire, the Yokohama brand. The size is pretty standard, 295/75R 22.5. So there is one specification called ply, or in this case it says 16H. It means that strength of the tire. Usually it's 14 or 16. 16, it means better strength. It usually means that cover of the cords, that metal cords cover around that tire, is either 14 or 16 layers. So this one, drive force, it also has 16 ply, I would say, PR, that's what it says. That means that the strength is better than 14. I would always prefer 16 for the steer tire, as they're more durable over than 14. So Yokohama is the decent choice. Yokohama, Firestone, Michelin is a decent choice to put on a steer tire. The main reason is that reputable, good quality tire. And what do we have right here? It's made in USA. This says all about itself. If you put this one on the road though, don't forget through the next week stop at the shop and do balance the tire. If you have good tire on the opposite side, you can leave it like that. You might change that opposite tire as well for a new one. I would recommend to match with the same. The main thing, if you put the good tire like Yokohama, you don't want to put it on a trailer then. So please stop at the shop within a week or so and do balance of the tire on the rim. And I don't know if you need alignment or not. You can do it definitely, but if alignment was good, you can probably leave it like that. But like I said, absolutely and totally your choice. Pretty nice weather today to make a good video for you guys, but being pretty busy today, I will not able to do so. But still, we covered all the main and basic things you should know about that steer tires. So next time I'm gonna catch up my mechanic, and he probably will tell you better experience wise what you need to check for and what do you need to choose from if we talk about the steer tires. Stay tuned, and we will see you in our next videos.